right, so today we are going to set up WordPress on AWS using AppPack. I've gone ahead and used PHP Composer to set up a WordPress boilerplate site using Bedrock, and now we'll deploy it. So I've already downloaded the AppPack CLI, and I've created a cluster with it and a database for our WordPress site. And now we'll go ahead and create the site itself. So to do that, we can write AppPack create app WP demo is what we'll call it. And this will prompt us with a few questions. We will set it up on the cluster we already created. We will use the GitHub repository for the site. AppPack will use AWS code build to automatically pull changes from this repo and deploy them. The branch we'll use is main. We are not going to use a custom domain right now. Our health check path is healthcheck.php. We don't need a private bucket. We will set up a public S3 bucket. We've added a plugin so all our file uploads from WordPress go straight to S3. We don't need a queue. We will use our database. We won't set up email right now, and I am going to add myself as an administrator for this app. And now this is going to go out to AWS and create a CloudFormation stack, which defines all the resources needed to run this application. The application will run on AWS Fargate, which is a serverless container service. So we don't have any servers to manage or maintain. It'll just run as a container there. And it's also setting up our load balancer, connecting our domain, and a number of other things. So this takes a couple minutes, and we'll just wait here till it's done. Okay, so our app has finished setting up all the resources, and next up we are going to add some configuration variables or environment variables for the app when it runs. I've gone ahead and set up a JSON file that has all the necessary environment variables in it. First up are a whole bunch of secrets that that WordPress requires to run. Next up, we set the AWS region we're using. This was to facilitate the S3 uploads. And the final ones are specific to the Bedrock variant of WordPress. And you'll notice here, I've got my domain already set up. When I set up my cluster, I used this cluster.apppack.rocks domain. And since I named my app WP demo, it will be at that domain automatically. And we can also set up custom domains if we want to, but we won't do that today. And you also notice it will be available on HTTPS. A certificate will be created for it at AWS, and so we can load it right over HTTPS. So now let's go ahead and add these config variables. We can add them one at a time via the CLI, but that would be a little slow. So we also have a import command, which can import right from this JSON file. This will take all these environment variables and store them in AWS's parameter store, which is specifically designed for storing secrets. They're encrypted, and it's a safe spot to put these variables that you don't want necessarily other people to find. So with all that in place, now we can go ahead and trigger our first build. That is AppPack, our app name, WP demo, build, start, and then I will pass the watch flag so we can follow the logs as that builds. Normally, when you would push to your repo, this would happen automatically, but since we don't have any changes right now, we'll just trigger one manually. This is going to fire off code build at AWS, which will build the container for our application, and then it can also run tests if we have tests to run, and run a release task if we need to do any sort of database migrations or something like that. And then finally, it will deploy the site. For this, we just are going to do the build and deploy phases, since we don't have any tests or release phase for our app right now. This takes just a minute or two, and so we'll let this run. All right, so our app has deployed successfully and registered with a load balancer. We can go in now and run open. This is just a shortcut to opening the site in our browser. And you can see we now have our WordPress install. I can go ahead and install WordPress, and you can see the domain is working and all that. So one other thing I want to show you is our web dashboard here. So I've got, I can see my app. I can see what command it's running, the web service, how much CPU and RAM it has, which are all adjustable, and my add-ons. I can see build information. So I can see all the logs here for my build, and a nice little overview here. So that's it. That's deploying WordPress to AWS with AppPack. We also have details on our blog about some of the minor modifications we made to get this running, such as the S3 plugin for uploads and adding a health check. And thanks for watching.